Welcome back to this section. Okay, for this section, we want to see how to insert the column chart. So insert the column chart. Just so remember, we have your data here. This is where you get your data. Okay, and this is where we have the visualization. All right. So our column charts. These are column. These are stack charts. Our column chart is this. All right, stack column charts, or this, any of them. They're all part of it. So I'm going to click on it. Click on this now. Just click on it, and you have this. So you can adjust it how you want it. Adjust it. Okay, it's your choice. So I'm going to centralize it because for this class it's just this. All right. When we're building our dashboard, I am going to explain. So let me first of all show you our dashboard that I'll be working with. All right. So guys, so this is how our first project will be looking like by the time we are done. All right. So for now, we are just seeing how to insert all of this charts. Then by the end of the class, we will be able to provide something like this. Okay. So let's move on to what we are doing. So now for the column charts now, you click on the column chart like I said earlier, and you have this. So let's say I want to input anything. So I'm going to just pick, let me pick a column. So I want to compare two columns. Let's take a country. Okay, click on the country. You can drag the country and put it on the X axis. This is the X. This is the X axis. This is the X axis. All right. Then on the Y axis, let's see the sales for each country. Bring the Y axis to the this part to the Y axis. That sales, and we have our column chart. Okay. So I'm going to teach you how to format it at once. So this is for the column chart, and this is it. So we can as well, if you want to add your legend, you can just bring your country down to your legend. Okay, so that's it now. So this is everything we are getting. So that means United States is the blue, and Canada is the thick blue, and we have these other colors for the countries. So this is how to insert your column chart. So I'm going to teach you right now how to format the column chart. So this part is the formatting part. Yeah, you click on it, and you have this. So you have the visual, then you also have the general. All right, so we'll stay on the visual. On the visual, you can decide to, let's say I want to change. I'm going to show you just two things of it. I want to remove. I don't like this this legend. So I'll just come here and remove the legend. See that out. Okay, they're out. And for the Y axis, I don't want. For the Y axis, I don't want the values. So you can come here and remove the value. See, it's out. Okay. Or you don't want the title, you can remove the title. See all of that. So I like leaving the title, so I'll keep the title. Let's do same for X axis. For the X axis, I also remove the title. Okay, I remove the title. You can also decide to remove whatever you want to remove from this part. Remove the title, remove the values if you want. Okay, that's for it here. So that's for X axis, and that's how to. Then I can also decide to change the background. You can come here and change the background by going to Effect, Background, change it to what color do you want us to use. Let's use black. I love black a lot. So this is it. Now you can change the background. There are a lot of formatting to do. A lot of, like you can see, we have a lot of them. So it's in your decision now to decide how you want to play around with your chart. Okay, but then one thing you should understand is you have to keep it simple. All right, don't make it too busy. Like our chart I showed you earlier, you see, it's very presentable. So don't make it look too busy, so it doesn't distract your stakeholders. All right, that's how to import your column chart. So we are going to move to the next class, which is how to import your stock column chart. All right, I'll see you in the next class.